people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today's video is finally, because it's really late, going to be an unboxing of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I have the little mini one and the premium one here. I was gonna get the $70 one, but it was sold out. So overall, I bought both of these boxes. One was $20, one was $45. After taxes and shipping, it came out to $79 for both of these boxes. So today we're going to unbox these, see what is inside, and yeah, I've heard some not great things about some of these things. I've heard there might be like expired things in here, there might be things with like air bubbles on them, and I'm not really sure how I feel about all this. I feel like there's been a lot of lipstick drama lately, and I'm not sure I believe it, but we'll see. Because like overall, last time I got a Jeffree Star mystery box, it was the big one for Beautylish, and it was really good. So let's get into it. Alright guys, as always, all makeup on this channel is cruelty-free, and so is Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Also, all of his vegans are vegan products as well. And if you're interested in Jeffree Star videos or Jeffree Star reviews, please subscribe to my channel. I do review all of his new collections and stuff, and I give you an honest review. I'm reviewing his products, this mystery box, and not him as a person, because you know what? It's a brand, not just a human. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start off with the mini one. This is going to be a really short video probably, because I'm just going to like dive in. So the mini box is supposed to have 3 products in it, and I believe the premium has 5 to 7, or the like giant $70 one has 10 items in it. Maybe I should have bought the little mini one. Maybe I should have just bought 2 of the premium ones, because 3 products doesn't seem like that many, but the average Jeffree Star product is usually like $18, which is like his liquid lipstick price. So should be a good value. In here, I'm trying not to break the box. Oh gosh. It's in here so tight, like the tape is already cut, but I guess I gotta ruin the box. Lovely. Lovely. Oh god. Why is this so difficult? Alrighty. I destroyed this box real bad. Okay. So, green paper. I do like the green paper with a green mystery box. It's very Riddler-esque. I'm kind of digging it. I like the custom boxes for this kind of thing. First thing we got is a Jeffree Star lime green pop socket, which I will never use in my entire life because I don't think people actually use these. I'm going to leave a poll up top. Tell me if you actually use a pop socket. Let me know. I don't use one personally. It's kind of cute, but it kind of sucks that this is one of the 3 things. This is so gimmicky. But next thing in here is 2 liquid lipsticks. So the other 2 things are 2 liquid lipsticks, and I do have both of these shades. I'm going to leave these unopened so I can put them in a future giveaway or something, but I'm going to go grab my Human Nature and Huntington Beach liquid lipstick, and I'll swatch them for you so you can see what we got. Thankfully, I have spent way too much money on Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the past couple years, buying all the launches and stuff, so I have all these things already, which might seem like, hey, then why do you need a mystery box, Bridget? Because it's fun. I love mystery boxes, and like this premium one has an exclusive thing in there. I need that. I mean, I might not use it. I don't use a lot of these liquid lipsticks that are like this all the time, but it's good to have. So this is Huntington Beach, which we got, and it is in the like Thirsty Collection packaging. Is this Thirsty Collection packaging? I don't know, it's the orange one. This, yeah, it is Thirsty Collection packaging. This is Huntington Beach. It's really cute. This is a little bit of a streakier one. If you do like a really thin layer, but you can absolutely get it perfectly opaque. Honestly, I don't find it that streaky. I just find like on the outer lip, when I overline a little bit, you can kind of see the difference, so I have to go over it again. But overall, Huntington Beach is a beautiful formula. It does not dry out your lips, and it's a really cool color. I know a lot of people probably wouldn't go out of their way to like pay $18 for this one weird color individually, like I did. But I think it's kind of cool they got in a mystery box, and it's not something like a gray or a really bright neon orange, which I feel like a lot of people would turn down. I feel like some people like having one really weird funky color in here, so I feel like this is a pretty cool one to have in here, rather than like Coral Fixation, which is like neon, or like, I don't know, maybe his Self-Control or something that's a little bit funkier, might make your teeth look a little bit yellow. I feel like this is a really safe, fun color. The next color we got in here is Human Nature, which is in this beautiful chrome packaging, which is stunning, and I absolutely love the color Human Nature. I don't wear dark lipstick too often, but this is one of my go-to, like, it's like when I wear androgyny, but my androgyny is so old and dried out that I can't really wear it that much anymore. I reach for Human Nature instead. It is a beautiful burnt reddy kind of color, reddy mauvey kind of color. It's beautiful. It has like a little bit of a purple kick to this like red nude. It's really beautiful. I love this formula for Human Nature. It dries down completely matte, just like most of Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks. There's a couple that don't dry down completely matte, but these 2 do. They're both really good. I feel like we have a funky color, a really nice color that it looks great on everyone. Human Nature looks good on every skin tone possible. And we get a pop socket. Not crazy about the pop socket, but the 2 liquid lipsticks I'm very happy with, especially for $20 for all 3 of these things. I feel like that's a great deal. Alright, so let's move on to the bigger box now, the premium box. Ooh, so premium. And I got my little thing to match. How cute. So this box was $45. Hopefully I feel like it's worth it because I can waste $20 and be like, it's probably something I'd waste on food, but $45 feels like a decent amount of money to be like, okay, I can't blow $45. So hopefully I like what's in here. I'm gonna guess, I'm hoping there's a highlighter in here. That's what I want. Like I want a good, like a skin frost in here. Like another ice cold skin frost please, because I run out of those things pretty decently. Alright, so let's open it up. This one has pink paper on the inside. And lime green and light pink are like cute together. So this is the inside of this box. Okay, no. Alright, so first off is another freaking pop socket. This one's orange. We have a lime green one and an orange one. An alien one and a thirsty one. I mean, I'm guessing most people don't buy multiple mystery boxes of different sizes, but I don't want to pop socket again. Next up in here is a liquid frost in Crown Jewel. So I have reviewed Jeffree Star's liquid frost. I reviewed all this stuff already. I'm not too big of a fan of it just because the pump is a little bit weird. It does dry down, like there's no weird residue like the Body Lava by Fenty or anything. He did a good job with the formula. It's just not my favorite thing in the world. I'm definitely a skin frost person, like a tried and true like regular skin frost person. I bought the Frostbite one of this. I do think it breaks down your foundation a little bit, whether you set it or not, you put it on top of your foundation. It does mess with it. It's not devastating or anything, but it looks great on the body. I can't get this out. I don't want to open the top label. Okay, so I got it out of here. This is Crown Jewel. It is this kind of color. I will leave a picture of it from Jeffree's website on the screen so you can see what the color is. But because I could never personally use this color, I'm not going to be opening up today. Again, I can throw it in a giveaway or something because this is never going to work for me unless I use it as a liquid eyeshadow, which might be really pretty. You take like a little bit of this from like the dropper thing, you tap it on top of your eyelid, wait for it to dry so it doesn't crease on you. It might be kind of a cute moment. But again, I'm just not the Jeffree Star liquid frost person. I'm not really a body, like, shiny body person. Like, I might do it once in a while, but it's kind of a special occasion that I think about doing that. Because, you know, you gotta come home and take a shower immediately so you don't get that all over, like, your chairs and stuff. But, liquid frost, and this is a pretty good value for being in the mystery box so far. So, next up, we have 3 lipsticks. So, we have one lip ammunition, which is a stick bullet form liquid lipstick. This is Ice Cream Boulevard. I do not have this color. I don't own too many of the lip ammunitions. I reviewed them when they first came out. I bought 3 of them, but I'm just not a stick lipstick person. So this is the component for the little lip ammunition in Ice Cream Boulevard. It will not focus on this for some reason. Oh, this is beautiful, but it's very pinky pink. And this is the issue people were talking about when people were like, oh, the mystery boxes are garbage, blah, 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 blah. Because everyone's examining the hell out of their their stick lipsticks these days due to somebody. There is air bubbles and like a nick in mine and stuff. I will show you as best as possible. There's a little fur piece on it too, it looks like. I mean, there's little air bubbles and like little bubbles all over it, and I don't really care. Like, this has not been sitting outside. It was in a air-conditioned room for me to pick up. It was not outside. But you never know, like, the trucks and stuff. And I live in Florida. It gets hot and things happen like this. But this is the lipstick. I mean, there's a little piece of black fuzz on the end of this one, but, like, it's not anything devastating. And there's a little nick in the side of the lipstick. But again, like, it's so hard to show you these things. How do I show you these things? How do people show things up close? Yeah, I don't know. It looks fine to me. It's okay. Yeah, there's little air bubbles all over the lipstick. I personally don't care about little air bubbles. I feel like it's not going to hurt me any. And Ice Cream Boulevard hasn't been out forever. That's not that old of a lipstick, so I'm not going to be out here like some people and be like, they're expired. No. Not every lipstick has something devastatingly wrong with it. I mean, yeah, the little piece of black fuzz on it does bother me a little bit, but I don't know where that's from. It could have been from me opening up. I don't know. So this is the Ice Cream Boulevard Stick Bullet Lipstick. If I really wanted to make this like a dramatically, like super dramatic, just doing this reviews video, you can imagine like the things people would say if they see little air bubbles in their liquid lipsticks. I mean, they're stick lipsticks. Yeah, I'm so used to liquid lipsticks, I say that about everything. The next two things in here, the other two things in here, so these are the last two things in the premium box, are two liquid lipsticks. We have a mystery. It's a little question mark. I don't know how you say what shade this is. Question? Mystery? I am so excited. Please be something cool. Oh, that's pretty. I was thinking this wouldn't even match, like it wouldn't even match. Like, I love this lime green top. So cute. Please, Jeffree, new tops, please. This is so cute. Let's swatch it. I'm gonna wear this one. Oh, it's beautiful. Wait, I need to shake this up. I didn't shake it up. It's kind of oily on the top. Okay. You have to shake up liquid lipsticks. Mine had a little bit of oil on the top. Hopefully this is a matte. I mean, it's a velour liquid lipstick. It should be matte, right? Looks a little watery. I don't know. But this is the color. I had to do a big swatch. It looks kind of oily over here. But this color is so cute. Like, it's a little more pink and bright than I'm used to. This is my average lipstick color. But, like, that's so cute. I love that the mystery shade in here is exclusive to the box. Now I'm like, I have the mystery. Yeah, that's so cute. I love that. This is so pretty. I'm definitely gonna wear this all the time, probably. I'm gonna try to wear more, like, bright lipsticks a little bit for, like, fall. Which makes no sense, but, like, I don't know. I already wasted my summer wearing dark colors, so... This is a really pretty color. I'm very excited the mystery color isn't something completely funky, which is nothing wrong with funky, don't get me wrong. But Jeffree, hit me up. I have a color idea for you. Okay, so the next liquid lipstick, yes, is one I need a replacement of because I finished mine and it dried out and like I used it the entire thing. And now I don't have to buy a duplicate of it. I mean like a replacement of it. So I have doll parts. I live, breathe, die for doll parts. Is like my first, well I know Androgyny was the first Jeffree Star liquid lipstick color that I fell in love with, but doll parts came right behind it. It is beautiful. Okay, so I remember this thing was out of stock forever. I don't even know if it's still out of stock these days. Wait, is this the old component? Oh no, okay. I was making sure I had that click because my old one didn't, like, when they originally came out, they didn't have like a click to close. They just twisted closed and like oils would drip if you stored them this way. But this one does have the new component. So this is doll parts. I'm gonna cry. I love doll parts so much. I've missed wearing it, but I have so many liquid lipsticks that I don't use. It feels bad buying a replacement for one. So this is doll parts. It's beautiful as hell. Like, I love it. It looks really, really bright pink, but when it dries down, it gets a little more dull, a little baby bit more dull. Like, it kind of just dries down matte and it loses a little bit of that, like, perkiness to it, which I love doll parts so much. I am so excited. I want to put this right over what I'm wearing right now. This is so pretty. Okay, so let's go over everything that we got in our premium box. And actually, I'm going to use most of the products in this premium box. That's really cool. So in the premium box, we got this little stupid pop sock. I don't like pop sock. I don't know. I don't have anything to do with that. Keep that. We got a liquid frost, which is like a $30 value. We got this stick lipstick, the Little Lip Ammunition in Ice Cream Boulevard. And then we got the mystery lipstick, which is this beautiful color here. And I'm going to use it all the time. It's actually a wearable color. And then we got doll parts, which everyone needs to try. Like, if you're thinking about getting a pink lipstick from Jeffree Star, pick doll parts. Like, it's so good. Like, Chrysanthemum is also up there as like a really good pink Jeffree Star lipstick, but doll parts is like where it's at. I cannot recommend it enough. So this is doll parts. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love a pink that's not like pink. I like the pink that's more like pink. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. That is it for both of these boxes. Please let me know which box you would prefer. Do you think the $20 box was worth the $20? Do you think the $45 box was worth the $40? I think both of these are definitely worth it. Personally, I'm not going to get any use out of the $20 box because I already have these items, but I know most people don't have all the Jeffree Star stuff. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more from me, please consider hitting subscribe down below. It's free. We could be friends. It'd be cool. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.